Hello, I am Deepak and I'm going to sing a beautiful song by Mohammad Rafi from 1980 movie Aap Aise To Na The. Music by Usha Khanna, lyrics by Indivar and Naida Fazil. So in this movie, Ranjita Kaur is an orphaned girl, lives with her uncle Mr. Oberoi, but she has inherited a lot of money once she grows up. So she falls in love with a average guy, Raj Babbar, who has a furniture business, but he has a lot of debt and he has to feed his mother as well as two younger siblings. Now, they want to get married, but in the meantime, the uncle does not want her to marry this poor guy. He also has an eye on her money, so he makes arrangement and with a wealthy guy, that is Mr. Vikram. Vikram happens to be Raj Babbar's childhood friend, and he comes from another city. And Mr. Oberoi and he make a deal, and that deal would be that he will marry Ranjita and then Mr. Oberoi would acquire her wealth. So in the meantime, Raj Babbar realizes that his girlfriend seems to be falling in love with this guy Vikram, and he actually sings this song, Tu is tarah meri zindagi mein shamil hai. Beautiful song. So anyway, Raj Babbar realizes this and he confronts his friend. So his friend tells him that, look, I am really not in love with her and she's not in love with me either, but I am just following the advice of her uncle. So now Mr. Oberoi comes to know that Raj Babbar knows this, so he wants to get rid of him, and Ranjita overhears this, so she tells Vikram, her fiance, to help Raj Babbar. So he goes on a horse and follows Raj Babbar, because Raj Babbar had gone in a jeep and these bad people have put a bomb in the jeep. So finally he catches up with Raj Babbar and pulls him out of the jeep, and then jeep explodes. So now these both guys come back and fight with the goons of Oberoi, and Oberoi gets arrested. Then in the end, Vikram takes hand of Raj Babbar and puts it in Ranjita's hand and says that, look, you guys are made for each other. I am just a passing by. And he leaves, and the movie ends in happiness. So let's listen to this fantastic number by Mohammad Rafi from Aap Aise To Na The, with the music by Usha Khanna and lyrics by Naida Fazil. तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है, तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है, जहाँ भी जाऊँ ये लगता है तेरी महफिल है, तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। ये आसमान, ये बादल, ये रास्ते, ये हवा, ये आसमान, ये बादल, ये रास्ते, ये हवा, हर एक चीज है अपनी जगह ठिकाने से, कई दिनों से शिकायत नहीं जमाने से, ये जिंदगी है सफ़र, तू सफ़र की मंजिल है। जहाँ भी जाऊँ ये लगता है तेरी महफिल है। तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। तेरे बगैर जहाँ में कोई कमी सी थी, तेरे बगैर जहाँ में कोई कमी सी थी। भटक रही थी जवानी अंधेरी राहों में, सुकून दिल को मिलाया के तेरी बाहों में। मैं एक खोई हुई मौज हूँ, तू साहिल है। जहाँ भी जाऊँ ये लगता है तेरी महफिल है। तो इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। तेरे जमाल से रोशन है कायनात मेरी, तेरे जमाल से रोशन है कायनात मेरी। मेरी तलाश तेरी दिलकशी रहे बाकी, खुदा करे कि ये दीवानगी रहे बाकी। तेरी वफा ही मेरी हर खुशी का हासिल है। जहाँ भी जाऊँ ये लगता है तेरी महफिल है। तो इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। So thank you so much for listening to this beautiful number by Mohammad Rafi. Song is also sung separately by Manhar Udas as well as Hemalata. The music, a good one by Usha Khanna, and the lyrics by Naida Fazil and Indivar. movie star Raj Babbar, Ranjita Kaur, and Deepak Parashar. So thank you so much for listening. This is Deepak. Thank you.